Alam niyo minsan, may mga araw na parang ang bigat-bigat lang ng mundo, di ba? Parang pagod ka, na kahit bagong gising ka pa para bang nakadagan sa iyo ang mundo. Hindi mo kasalanang mapagod. Pero tandaan natin, life isn't about just a destination. It's about every step you take. Kahit mabagal, kahit papiso-piso, kahit pakonti-konti, it's about the people na kasama mong maglakad. Yung taong tumutulong kapag nadapa ka. I know sometimes hindi mo pa nakikita yung mga bunga ng pinaghihirapan mo. And it can be frustrating. Pero remember, the best thing takes time. Again, life takes time. So don't give up. Laban lang. Take a deep breath, walk a little slower, think ahead, but keep going. Don't stop. Kasi darating din tayo doon. Kaya mo yan. Ikaw pa ba?